Friday brings the employment report for the month of May. All eyes will be on that figure, especially ahead of the Fed Reserve meeting. Today, we got better than expected ADP figures, but we did see a small jump in initial jobless claims. So ahead of the jobs report, to weigh in on those numbers is Alan Valdes of SilverBear Capital. Alan, great to have you here today.
Remy, thanks for having me here.
Well, of course, all eyes will be on Friday's jobs figures. Expectations for non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate are already factored in. But what do you expect to see in terms of market reaction?
Well, if ADP holds true, 275,000, hit it out of the ballpark. They were much better than expected. Now, ADP has had a track record of being a little bit off, but even if they come in 250 plus, that's a great number. The Feds will definitely raise in 2 weeks, so it's perfect for what we want down here. And it shows you that the economy is getting stronger. And we saw the manufacturing number a little better, getting stronger. Auto sales up slightly, a little better. So overall, things are moving in the right direction.
And Alan, it's a brand new month. We saw what the equity markets did in the month of May. But given that we continue to grind higher and touch new record highs, do you expect to see a continuation of this summer, given that we have a lot of geopolitical as well as political risk?
It's tough to handy-pick this summer because of Trump and his Twitter events in Europe, in the peninsula of North Korea over there. So it's anybody's guess. But I think if you base it on fundamentals, I think we'll have a great summer. I think volume will stay like this, pretty quiet. It was quiet yesterday too, basically. But I think the trend is going to be up. If those jobs numbers hold true, I think that sets the trend for the rest of the summer.
And as we look ahead to next week, we will be getting the ECB rate decision, and we also have the UK elections. Now, there is a little bit of risk heading into that election, and we've been seeing that play out in the FX market. But how important is that to pay attention to?
Well, both are important. The election is definitely important. We do a lot of business out of the BRICS, so that's something we have to see. And it weighs also on the Eurozone. So we'll see what happens there. And, of course, the Fed, I think it's a given they're going to raise. They want to raise. There's no excuse not to raise this time, that's for sure, with the jobs numbers, with numbers from yesterday. So, overall, things are going good. A little upset to see the banks slide, but, that's not that unusual. They'll pop back up. Oil, I think oil's in this range, so for them to come in a little or up a little, it's no big deal. And unfortunately, Trump has been caught up in all this melee over Russia and everything. So we may not get tax cuts to 2018 or the deregulations we were promised that got him in office. So that's a little frustrating for traders. But it's all about jobs. At the end of the day, no matter what people tell you, it's jobs.
Well, the countdown is on for the jobs report, so thanks for weighing in today, Alan.
Thanks, Remy. Have a great day.